Hello everyone, welcome to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online platform. Today we are continuing the same chapter, chapter number 6, animating text and object. And today we will cover one topic, adding transition effect. How we can provide different transition effect to our slides. So let's start it. I'm opening one presentation here. Transition effects appears when one slide changes to the other slide during the slideshow view. It depends upon us. We can provide the same transition to all the slides, or we can provide different transition to the slide. So how we can provide the transition? Firstly, click on transition tab. You can see here after the design tab, transition tab is here. Click on the transition tab. You can see here transition to this slide. This group is here. By using that group, we can provide the transition. To see another transitions, click on more. You can see here many transition effects are here. According to our requirement, we can take, like on first slide, I have given this one. On the second slide, I want to give this one. On the third slide, I'm just clicking on the third slide. Which effect you want to give, just take that one. On the fourth slide, I have selected the fourth slide. See. So like that, I want to give the different transition to our slides. So I have given here the different transition. Now when I will play it, you can see here from the preview, you can see, like for this slide, if you want to see, click on preview. Now I'm opening the slideshow view. See, this is my first slide. So we have given different transition effect to our slide to make our presentation more attractive. If we want to change the effects, so you can see here in this one, I have given this zoom. So you can change from here also, zoom in, zoom out, zoom and rotate. Clear? So whatever transition we have given, in this one I have given random bar. If you want to do some changes, you want to do vertically or horizontally, click on that. So by going to the effect option, we can change the effect. Here I have taken the airplane. From right you want to, or from left. So like that you can change the effect. If you want to produce the sound also, by default it is no sound. Click on the sound. That will produce. I am showing to you preview. Again you can see. Like that sound will produce during the slideshow. Duration. You can provide the duration also. How much seconds you want to play. You can provide it from here. You can decrease also, or you can increase also. By apply to all, it will be applied to all slides. So I am showing the slideshow. You can see here. Now I have not done apply to all. So you can see here sound is not there. So if you will click on apply to all, then you can see like that it will appear. I'm starting from here. You can provide the sound here. Whatever sound you can want to give, just choose the sound. Like that we can do it. Here you can see advanced light. By default, both options are on. on mouse click. On mouse click means we will wait until a mouse click to move to the next slide. Means either we press the enter key or we use the mouse to go to the next slide. And after means no need to use the mouse or enter key. Directly after the one slide, the next slide will start. For example, I am of this option on mouse click. So there is no need to click on the mouse click or enter key. So you can see here. So like that, it will appear one by one. So I have selected apply to all. So by this preview, you can see the preview, or directly you can slideshow. You can play your slideshow. So our today topic was transition effect. How we can provide the different transition effect.